Welcome to Lakeland Hills, one of Auburn's most desirable neighborhoods. Today, I'm excited to show you 6338 Victoria Avenue Southeast, a beautifully designed home offering spacious living, modern comforts, and a fantastic location. With luxurious interiors, a wonderful setting, convenient access to high-rating schools, parks, shoppings, and commuter routes, this property offers a beautiful balance of comforts and lifestyle. From the inviting living space to its incredible backyard with full privacy and everything in between, this home has so much to offer. Thank you for joining me today's tour. If you want to experience this wonderful home in person, reach out today to schedule a private tour. My name is Wing Grosshans. I look forward to hearing from you.